How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, back on the Cummins again, little update video. He did a few little mods, a few little things he fixed, and we just want to go over an overview with you, show you what he did. So you want to start small and go big, or start big and get smaller?
Yeah, we'll start small.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so what's the first thing you did?
About 2 weekends ago, took the whole bed off the truck and fixed the fuel line going into the tank and the fuel line running to the fuel pump itself.
You had to take the whole bed off to do that?
It was easier to take the bed off than drop the tank.
So he changed a bunch of lines, and that was in order to get the truck running properly because it wouldn't run without fixing those lines. I'll throw in a picture right here so you guys can see the truck without the bed, or at least the bed lifted, because he didn't take it all the way off, but it was a lot easier to get to that tank, like he said, by lifting the bed off. So I'll drop that picture in, and it's running good now, right?
Oh yeah.
So that's the first thing. What else you do to it?
I took it to the local diesel shop because I wasn't doing it because I didn't know how to do it.
And what would that be? Because you're not one to take your truck to the shop all that often.
Yeah, no. Do most of this stuff myself. Why'd you close the hood?
So I can get a shot of you open it.
All the way?
I didn't think I closed it all the way.
No, you didn't.
You're just...
Why not open?
Well, it looks the same. What you do?
So there's the big mod right there. Took it to the shop. Have them put a whole new oil cap on.
You took the truck to the shop to do that?
Yeah.
And how much was that K&N filter?
That's $50 from the good old XDP. But no, took it to the shop for exhaust brake.
An exhaust brake?
Oh yeah.
Well, they call that an eddy brake?
Eddy?
I don't know. That's what my friend said. No. Hold on, I gotta get my camera to focus so you guys can see this. Right there.
It's the BD diesel exhaust brake.
This whole system right there. Zoom out a little bit. There's his line running all the way across. So that's the kit that he ordered. You had it on for a few days now. How's she running with it?
Pretty nice.
So if you guys stay tuned to the end, we'll give you a nice little startup, and we'll take the truck out so you guys can hear it, and I guess watch it perform. You can't really tell, but it definitely worked. Yeah, you can definitely hear it. Works pretty good. I haven't been in it yet with it running, but he has, and he went all the way down this big hill without touching his brakes once, so I know it works pretty good. So you want to take him inside and show him the setup, how it works?
So the guy ran it off of a switch instead of the shifter mount, because he said that he didn't really like the shifter mounts, that they weren't too durable. So we ran it right below the fuel pump switch.
That little switch right here.
Yeah.
And that turns it on and off.
Yeah.
Anything else you do?
Easy shift knob.
A shift knob.
Yep. Pistol grip.
Hurst pistol grip shifter. Just like the old days. Except it's not wood grain, right?
Yep.
So that it?
Yep. Take him for a ride.
I'm gonna close the hood, and then guess we'll take you out for a little cruise. But before we get out on the road, we're gonna give you guys a nice little cold start, because I know you guys like that, and I figure I'll treat you guys again. So you pretty much stopped right there without even using your brake, right?
Just the last little bit.
So I did a little video clip of him running without it and then him running with the brake on. I'll do a nice little sound comparison for you guys. And I'm gonna jump back in the truck and we'll do a sound comparison from inside. You ready? But before we head back, you wanna give him a nice little coal roll? There it is. Let me head to the other side real quick. Flip it on right here. All right. Well guys, we made it back home. I'm not sure if you can tell real well on the sound comparison clips, but I listened to them back a little bit. I think you'll be able to tell. So how you think it's performing? You like it?
Oh yeah.
Is it worth the investment?
All the way.
Now it does help save on his brakes, and it'll also help the truck function a lot better whenever he goes to tow some heavy loads, right?
Yeah.
What are you planning on towing anytime soon?
Boat.
Big old boat. Now, could that be a new addition to the channel?
Oh yeah.
Whenever you buy a boat?
Yep.
So, I think we're just gonna conclude the video here. We do have a few other little mods on the way for the Cummins. I think you already got some of the parts in. You wanna give them a nice little sneak peek or tell them what you got planned?
Big Chungus, if you know, you know.
That should tell you something right there. Big Chungus. He's on his way back. He's making a return. Better than ever. Is that it? Or you wanna give him a nice...
Most people know what Chungus is on the channel.
You know, right there. Now, I heard you got some additional, I don't know what you want to call it, to
Lights.
Yeah, I guess. Help
Yep.
to make the truck stand out a little bit. You want to give them a general description of where they're going? Outside the fender or inside the fender? You guys might just have to stay tuned and find out. So with all those sneak peeks we just told you guys about, I think we're just going to keep our mouths quiet until we just show you in the upcoming videos, right? So I think we're just going to sign off. I want to thank you guys for watching. Might be a little bit shorter video than usual, but got some very cool, exciting things on the way, not only with this truck, but with the other builds as well. And make sure you guys drop a thumbs up and leave a comment of what you guys think. Tell me if you guys like the exhaust brake, because I know he surely does. Make sure you guys go follow our Instagram as well. Leave the handle down below. And until the next video comes out, I guess sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one.